This model kit review is of the UH-60L, the Blackhawk helicopter, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Minicraft. And here you have some pictures of the finished model. And I don't see any other pictures over there. Let's have a look inside of this box. Here's our clear glass with the windshield and windows. Looks reasonably well molded. Let's cut open these sprues. So here we have the horizontal winglet at the back. Here's probably the front of our engine cover, and then our doors. All reasonably well molded. Another part of the engine cover. Lots of extra little pieces here. Unfortunately, there's a fair amount of flashing on some parts. These sprues have already been opened. Here's our tail rotor, which is actually a little warped. Has some little mold lines. We have our seats and pedals over there. Control column. And a whole bunch of little parts here. Here are our wheels, nose wheel, guns. Here's our fuselage. Some surface detail, but these are all very thin. Do have some recessed panel lines, no real rivet lines there. Otherwise, reasonably well molded. Sprue attachments there. Here's the other side. You don't really have any details on the inside. Here's our floor, along with the cockpit floor. We have rotors here, 4 of them, and they're reasonably well molded. Now we have our bench seats here for inside. And the backs of the benches. Here's our main rotor hub. And then lots of little pieces here and there. The engine parts. Here's our instrument panel. And looks like we have our instrument panel decals here. Those are nicely printed. And then more parts for the seats. Bulkhead here, part of our engine assembly. Let's have a look at our instructions. So here's a parts listing. And so we'll start off with the main rotor assembly. They build the cockpit and seating area. Put together the exhaust. A lot happens here. Put together the roof as well as the fuselage. The doors go on, tail rotor goes on, guns go on. The rest of the fuselage, including the air intakes for the engines, exhausts, and windshield. Landing gear go on, as well as the tail, and Here's the final assembly of all the remaining parts. And lastly is the painting and decal guide. And there are the colors needed. So all in all, some fair amount of detail. Decals are nice. Should be a good build.